Did you know that one of today's modern SUVs exists because of a Jeep built more than 40 years ago? This is the 1983 Jeep Cherokee, a vehicle that changed the SUV world forever. At a time when SUVs were big, heavy, and uncomfortable, the Cherokee XJ proved that an off-road vehicle could be compact, smart, and practical. So what made this Jeep so special? Let's dive into the story of a true off-road legend. In 1983, Jeep introduced the XJ generation Cherokee, and it was completely different from anything before it. This was one of the first SUVs built using unibody construction, meaning the body and frame were combined into one structure. This made the Cherokee lighter, stronger, and more fuel-efficient than traditional body-on-frame SUVs. It was a bold move, and it worked. Exterior design. The 1983 Jeep Cherokee had a boxy, no-nonsense design. Flat panels, sharp edges, and a tall stance gave it a tough and confident look. It was available in both 2-door and 4-door versions. With excellent ground clearance and short overhangs, this Jeep was built to handle rocks, mud, snow, and sand with ease. It looked ready for adventure, and it truly was. Engine and performance. The 1983 Cherokee offered multiple engine options, including a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, a 2.8-liter V6 engine. These engines were not designed for speed but for torque, durability, and reliability. Paired with Jeep's legendary 4x4 system, the Cherokee could go places where most vehicles simply couldn't. This made it extremely popular among farmers, off-roaders, and outdoor enthusiasts in the United States. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 1983 Jeep Cherokee was simple but functional. The dashboard layout was clean, controls were easy to reach, and visibility was excellent. It wasn't a luxury SUV, but it offered enough comfort for long drives and daily use. This balance between rugged capability and everyday usability is what made the Cherokee XJ so successful. Popularity and legacy. The 1983 Jeep Cherokee changed how the world viewed SUVs. It proved that an SUV didn't have to be huge to be capable. Many modern compact and midsize SUVs still follow the same formula introduced by the Cherokee XJ. Even today, the XJ is loved by off-road communities and collectors around the world. Conclusion and call to action. The 1983 Jeep Cherokee is more than just an old SUV, it's a milestone in automotive history. It combined strength, intelligence, and practicality in a way no SUV had done before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to CarOg 765, and comment below. Would you like to see more classic Jeep and vintage SUV videos?